If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to a Bitcoin video update. 2 days, 21 hours to close the weekly. How many days? 2 days, 21 hours. And Bitcoin right now still hasn't done much, pretty much sideways. Today's 30, tomorrow is going to be 31. We are approaching the end of the month and it's pretty crazy. We're about to start 2023 next year, and to me personally, I think that 2023 could be the year of depression for so many people, and it could be the year for opportunities also for so many people. I think we're in one of the best time to buy Bitcoin, isn't it, man? It's at 16,597, a price that people are begging for Bitcoin. And at this price, you are 4 years back. And sometimes you like to chat with members on the Discord. You can join, the links in the description of the video. And they're like, yo, I think, if Bitcoin comes down to 8,500, I don't care. I'm going to buy big. You cannot blame someone for thinking like that, because if Bitcoin is looking to drop to $8,000 or even $7,000, I mean, that's one heck of an opportunity when you came from $69,000. Of course, this is all luck. We don't try to tell you to buy something or do this, do that. It's how you manage your things. But this is just a general, educational video on how the bear market works, like how the discount works. There's a confirmation of a bullish divergences there on the weekly time frame. I don't know if that's going to have an effect anytime soon, but if it does have an effect, we also have to keep an eye on that one. So right now there are no reversal pattern for Bitcoin, unfortunately, to the upside. All we have is some sort of a weekly bear flag. We have this descending triangle. Again, the story is pretty much the same as previous updates. Nothing changed unless we don't see some volatility into the market. It's going to be important. But what you got to keep an eye on is that Bitcoin is in a technical journey to go to 15,000 in a smaller time frame. Okay, you do have this bear flag right over there. You made that bear flag, you popped to the downside, you back tested the flag a couple of times, got rejected. The technical target, again, if I hide the EMAs and I take the trend line, so it's going to be from the top to the bottom right there. And this is where you're breaking out actually. So the next technical target we have for Bitcoin is going to be 15,693, and we do have a little bit of support, because one touch on this line, second touch on that line, and coming down here will also give you another support. So which means we need to lose 15,499 or 15,459. So we need to take out this low to start to print bigger lows to the downside. So basically the idea is that you come down here, you lose that low, back test the low, boom, get squeezed, move to 14,000, and 14,000 is also another pending target as well. So that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.